Okay, this is you can hear this, right? Do you know Black Panther? No, I sadly don't. Fido wants to join too. Why then you don't like being just. Oh, we still didn't finish that though. I feel like hi. How do I write even here? OC. No, this is wrong. I forgot how to. Oh. OC. Oh god. And this is how we gonna and this is how we gonna play. Great. So yeah, I'm gonna show Dizzy why Dizzy. But yeah, this is the house actually Zen was creating, and we need still bones to finish it. And actually, we do have lots of other stuffs already in here. Can you hear the game? Perfect. Well, looking okay already. Are you already prepared? It looks like you're already prepared with everything. Same. I'm feeling so rusty. But we need lots of sticks though, because we're probably going to have to build some stuffs and food and lots of other. Oh, that's all rare meat. I have rare meat here. Where to place that though? Oh, I can't even take it anymore. Can't carry any more meat. Rip. Is everything full?
I caught a soul.
What?
Good to see you back on Twitch and feeling
What?
healthier.
You're insane. Thank you so much, Ostrich, for the 2 months. What? Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm also glad. I was really wondering how you were doing. I hope you're doing good so far. Oh god, that made me. Oh, thank you. Oh god. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I hope I can be soon healthy. I'm sadly still written sick until the end of August because I still need to recover and can't do much more at the moment. But make armor. How am I gonna do armor again? Bones. Oh, we don't have any bones, right? I don't have any bones here. Oh, this is like... Wait, was it damaged? Or did I just drop real meat? Is it damaged? No, it's small. It's spoiled. Time to kill cannibals. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna get some foods. Eat. Ostrich, thank you so much again. Oh god. How are you old? How old I am? I'm turning 28 this year. So I'm pretty old. I could be grandma soon. Oh god. So I can run here. Oh, and... Oh, that was the wrong one. Is it just me or is it like really shadowy in the game right now? Did I change that? Yeah, 28. I'm turning 28 soon. Atoons, thank you so much for the follow. I really appreciate it. Thank you. We got some sticks and stones. But no bones. Stick and stones but no bones? Is that from a song? I don't know. Unkind so fast running. 82 years old? Yeah, I'm 82. I'm actually a vampire. That's that's why I still look young. Rip. Oh, really? Thank you. How old are you guys, if you don't mind me asking? I really appreciate the compliment. Always trying to stay younger. I'm getting some sticks on the way. I have kind of the feeling by killing cannibals that I'm gonna like lose armor again. Not so sure if we can even finish the game today, because no, he said that he knows the oh, what is that? A flower, a plastic looking flower that looks like paper thin. Wait, what? Nani? No, it's in female. No. Oh, talk to Yuki. Oh. Wow, that is pretty young still. Whoa. Turning 43 this year, that's like a third of my life. Yeah, I feel so upset too, because I think all the time, oh my god, we already have like our third over, and if I'm being honest, for me, I just counted life when I turned 25. Before it was like, I barely can really remember something. Pet Unkind, I would try to pet him, but maybe I can't stand on him. Oops, wait, what did I do? Oh my god, this is like, this is not good. Oh, Zen, you're getting brutally murdered. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, no! Okay, now I want to finish you off. Oh my god. I have the feeling they're coming like... Wait, where are you? Did I kill you? Oh no, good. Oh my god, it was a crocodile. Oh my god, oh god. Enough for mods to look young. That's true. I didn't get a long time a blood donation though, upsettingly enough. Can be from a song because it rhymed. It may have been. Welcome back. You just got you almost died. Did you lose lots of blood? Containers. Oh, we have to find contain. Okay, good. Because I killed a crocodile while you were away. Yeah, wow, I know, right? Strong. You beat Unkind? Shh, he doesn't need to know. He doesn't need to know that I also hit him. Oh, hi, Guardian. Long time. Very long time. How have you been doing? Yeah, I just started streaming again last week. You hit me? Oh, yeah, but that was just like, that was not on purpose though. Oh, there are many. How did you know that there are a lot of cannibals? Step Unkind for you. No, he needs to rescue me later. I need him still. It was on purpose. Didn't cry. Shh. Don't tell him. Yeah, it's true. Ghost, you and Izu, you escaped. But maybe not for long, who knows? That he got hurt. Yeah, thankfully. You don't want to stay. Oh my god, are you in... What? We're gonna dead though. Gonna be dead though. Most actually don't know, but we were trying to go into the hole last time by sliding, and I died already. It didn't work. Unkind had to rescue me. Yeah. Oh, and I jump onto trees as well. Got the long haul ahead of me. Take your time though, June. I think time went so fast by from when I turned 21 to 24. Oh my god. Oh, this is a strong one, right? Oh. Oh, he's not dead. He may be dead. Oh, now he's dead. What the hell? Can you die? No? Die. I think... Yeah, they're both dead though. One is left, I think. I'm gonna just put them here so we can find them, because I already don't know where the second one is. Where did I... Where? Oh, here. I killed him. Should be fine right now to move them here. There are 10s. I've been binging Persona 5 because of the deal I made. I've had to self-ice it, but I'm out of that period now. Oh, I'm so glad you're doing better. Thank you for the good job. More coming. Oh my god, where? I'm glad, Guardian, that you're feeling better now, and I'm doing myself also a little bit better. I'm still recovering from being sick, but I should be okay until August. End of August. Oh, hi, Art! Yeah! How's the game going? Not too good. We don't know anymore because the last time we were playing was too long ago. And yeah. How about Eurogaming? You guys are murdering? The Clash wants some dead. I need to tell you from Rickroll that Clash wants you dead. Make armor. Oh, can I pick that up? Don't you need that? Ah! I'm burning! Oh my god. Yeah. I already have armor, okay. Classic. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try making armor right now. How do I do this? Oh, I do have some armor here though. I just realized. Bone armor. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's working. I can make next time some. Ah, Nani? Ah, here. Did I miss something? Save here. Okay. Already saved. Why don't you use headphones? We do use headphones. Huh? Nani? You have headphones on. Or do you mean like real headphones? Oh, it's because my ears are still not 100%, and I also don't like how heavy they make you feel. I'm sorry to hear that. That's fine. Don't worry about it anymore. I've just lots of people were wondering where I was the past months, because obviously I had to just leave when I just came back again. Horrible. Nabil, hi. Oopsie. Are we enjoying the view? I guess we don't enjoy the view. Okay. Hi, Navi. By a light. Most are too big then, too, still. I do have very good ones, but I do think if I'm using them, then I would be completely healthy. Da, da, da. Gonna watch sunset. Ooh. When I'm standing on nothing. Are you standing on nothing too? Great. Oh, that's so beautiful. And we just see that there is something else we need to finish working on. It looks like a bench or something. But other than that, it's pretty beautiful. Wait, did we do that? Like, did someone do this thingy in the water? Wow. Wow. To do so, I'll see you later. Okay, take your time and have fun cleaning up. Even so, it's probably also not your favorite activity. Wait, where is he? Ah, how can you leave me alone? Ah, I panic. Ah, here. For the night, true. Very good. Oh, you want me to jump from there? No. Can't remember last stream I was watching for this one. I think it was probably in December. Oh. Oh, this is like... Oh. Oh, it's really not finished yet. One is missing. Only one. Oh, I need to save there. It's a beautiful view. I think so too. I really like it. In general, I think it's so beautiful. Oh, is this a mountain? There is like a snowy mountain. Thank you so much, Guardian. I think you were probably already away, but I'm still reading your message. A birdie. A birdie. Okay. Let's just... But I can't sleep yet. Yeah. I do think before we gonna go down, we need food, like drinks, chocolate bars, what else, like pills, and maybe, yeah, some bird coming onto my arm, but maybe also like sticks and leaf, and yeah, right? Oh. Bye bye, spell. Some Minecraft? Okay, bye bye.